now it is shake time, and I am doing Herbalife Nutrition, and I'm going to do 2 scoops of the healthy meal and 2 scoops of the protein powder, and I'm going to put this in this little mini blender that I got off of Amazon. And now 2 scoops of the protein. The first one I put in there was the healthy meal. And now I am going to put in about 10 ounces of water and drink it up. And this is my meal for breakfast. It has a little button here. I'm going to turn it over and press the button. It's going to make a lot of noise, so. I want to get the bottom. It'll get it all, believe me. And then, once it's all mixed, I just drink it right out of the shaker cup. Pretty cool. And so now I drink up. The taste of this Herbalife is very, very delicious. It's vanilla. And yeah, it's very good. Kind of tastes like a cupcake. Who doesn't love a cupcake in the morning for breakfast? Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this little mini vlog on my new lifestyle, my new healthy lifestyle, my new way of eating healthier, exercising, and just feeling better. I love you all to pieces. Thank you so much for watching. I think I already said that. Bye, guys.